Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video clip, I will show you and tell you how you can easily log out of your YouTube account from some other devices. Please subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to put your likes and write your comments after watching this video. Let's get started. So, we're going to open up YouTube. And then from the main YouTube page, we will need to go to our page. To do that, we're going to click on the Use section at the bottom. Then at the top, Google account. Next, we're going to choose Security. To do that, we need to scroll through the Settings menu underneath our photo. Now that we're in the Security settings, we'll scroll down. And we find this section called Your Devices. And then at the end of that section, we need to click on Manage All Devices. Now we'll be able to see more advanced information about the devices from which we logged into our YouTube account. In my case, for example, it's an iPhone, also a MacBook, and an Android device. You might still have some other devices like your computer, your laptop, your phones, your TV, and so on. And if you want to log out of any of these devices that will be here in the list, you'll need to find that device. Click on it. And then you'll find the Log Out function. You need to confirm the action. And as you can see, now it shows that we're logged out of the device. This is the sign that's going to be gray. That means you're logged out of your YouTube account out of a specific device. I hope this video was helpful to you, friends. Please put your likes, write your comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.